nature explorers, let's take a splashy adventure and learn 10 fun facts about waterfalls. Fact 1. A waterfall is water that flows over the edge of a cliff or steep rock. Fact 2. Waterfalls are made when rivers wear away softer rock and leave a big drop. Fact 3. The tallest waterfall in the world is Angel Falls in Venezuela. It's over 3,200 feet high. Fact 4. Some waterfalls freeze in winter and look like giant icicles. Fact 5. Rainbows often appear in the mist made by waterfalls. Fact 6. Niagara Falls is one of the most famous waterfalls and lies between the USA and Canada. Fact 7. Some waterfalls are wide and powerful, while others are thin and gentle. Fact 8. Animals like fish and frogs live in the water near waterfalls. Fact 9. People love visiting waterfalls to hike, take pictures, and enjoy the sound. Fact 10. There are even underwater waterfalls in the ocean, but they're made of different temperature water. Thanks for joining this waterfall wonder. See you next time for more natural fun.